We talk about the fact that science is a verb, is something you do. We're going to come in here and we're actually going to do science. We're going to make use of the resources that we get to have.
I've always had a passion for healthcare, but before I started this program, I was more so thinking, oh, I'm just going to be a doctor, or oh, I'm just going to be a nurse. And then I came and I did this program and I fell in love with the microscope.
This project is a larger part of our biomedical science outreach team, which is a student-run service learning enterprise. It started with 2 students coming to me and saying, hey, Dr. P, can we take the show on the road, and throwing microscopes and various things in the back of my Subaru and going to different schools.
We go out to usually middle school kind of age groups, and we teach them labs that in other cases they probably wouldn't be able to do.
We teach them all different kinds of things, from microscopy to gel electrophoresis and DNA analysis or pipetting. And we basically do this for them to just get a reach of what biomed is and what they can do in their future with us.
For example, when we went to Aiken Intermediate, a lot of the kids told us that this was like some of the most fun they had that week, and they told us that they really enjoyed what we did, and they're really engaged, and they showed that in their work.
Within the PLTW class, we have to do the same lesson that they're doing. Without that lesson, we wouldn't have been able to go out and do that lab and teach them how we taught them as students and engage with them the way we did. It's just so gratifying to help the younger kids and to see them, their eyes light up when they find something under a microscope that they've never seen before, or they come up to you and they're like, thank you for helping.
There's such an odd stigma around science, and so it's like, if I can introduce science in a fun way to them and they're like, wait, I think I kind of like this, and I'm like, let me hold your hand while I tell you how to get through the rest of this. I just love being able to do that for my community, because I was in a position and now I want to do that for other people.
It's still like hard to grasp, like I just won a national award. I think it just goes to show that like our program is very deserving of it, and like every day that we come to Biomed, we're doing so much more.
It makes me happy to know that what we did impacted a lot of people, and it's going to help, and it'll grow and help more.
They are so deserving of this. I am so thankful for them to achieve this award, to get that level of recognition. I'm just really thankful to have the opportunity to teach a group of students, to be involved in this type of learning, and to get the chance to watch kids grow doing this. They're the ones that make this happen, and they pass that passion down to the next year, and I get to see that.